Hi guys, today we're going to be taking a look at these fish sticks. $4 for a pound at Dollar General, and they're microwaveable. And now they will go into the microwave. Okay, they are ready. I made some dipping sauce with some balsamic vinegar and some Thousand Island dressing, and I've got a salad here. So I was obsessing with these microwavable fish sticks. Only the second time I've had them in my life. Microwavable. It's hard to find microwavable seafood. So let's see what these are made of. Well, it's probably half fish and half batter. It doesn't have a lot of flavor, but it's okay for a snack or for kids. So it's not a big fishy smell or taste because there's not a lot of fish in there. So it's at Dollar General in the frozen section. So $4 for a pound of fish sticks. So I just had to get them and try them. They're okay. They're not as greasy as the ones I remember having before. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.